Hey, what's up everybody? Dan here with Total Shape. And if you're thinking of trying out Low T Center, specifically for their testosterone replacement therapy services, watch my video till the end because there's a few reasons I can't recommend them, although they do provide a very legitimate service. But I want to specifically explain why. And I want to also refer you to another one that is phenomenal called Fountain TRT. I want to explain why I recommend them over Low T Center. I'm also including a link down below, guys. It's the same link that I used to sign up with Fountain TRT to get a really good deal because Fountain TRT is mid-priced. It's not the high end of telehealth TRT therapies, and it's not the low end. It's in the middle, but man, you get bang for your buck, and I'm gonna get there in a second. So the deal with Low T Center that I actually like, but before I tell you why I don't recommend them, let me tell you what I like about them. This is not a service that's gonna mail you your prescription, rather your testosterone injections. What they're gonna do is they're gonna bring you into a location near you. They're gonna inject you with testosterone, obviously after a questionnaire and consultation and all that, because they wanna monitor your reaction and they wanna get your biometrics in your labs in real time right there, and to see how everything's working. That's fine. That's great, and I think that's a legit service, and they do offer a legit service. A couple of problems I have with that. Number one, their pricing is completely non-transparent, and when you call them, they are trying to sell you left and right on this, that, and the other. Even on other services like HCG or whatever it is they offer that's even beyond TRT, I just felt like someone was trying to sell me a car. The second thing is, look, if this was a new technology, then yeah, I would definitely go the extra mile, use my time, use my gas, and schedule an physical location appointment and go to a place like Low T Center. This stuff is mainstream now. It's been time tested. A lot of people are using it. A lot of people, most professionals stand by it. That being said, I don't have to use my time, energy, and gas to go to a physical location to get this done when Fountain TRT can, basically mail it to me, right? Now, the one thing I will say is this, and I do have to give credit to Low T Center for this, is that they feel that you should really not take lightly the decision of jumping into TRT therapy. And by having an in-person medical consultation, you'll really have the opportunity to ask your questions and be informed and really make an informed decision over whether or not TRT is for you. I really respect that. I can tell you they have a point, because a lot of these other telehealth companies, when you're talking to them on the phone or having this consultation, they can't even answer the most basic of questions. You ask them a question and they're like, I don't know, George. Which way did it go, George? And I'm asking basic questions like eligibility. Are my T levels low enough to even really make me eligible for this medication? Are there lifestyle changes I should try first? Do these injections interact with any supplements or medications? These are all basic questions that I should be able to ask and have answered before signing up to get this injection. With Fountain TRT, the provider you're linked with, man, they are super knowledgeable. These are legitimate clinicians. Take their time, answer all your questions, aren't trying to sell you, but are rather trying to extract from you information to see what is best for you. It was just an incredible experience. And like I said, it's mid-tier pricing, but it's transparent. It's about $199 a month. But again, I have a link down below that'll get you a great deal when you initially start. But $199 a month includes everything. It's all of your medication. I chose the topical cream, and it's constant access to a medical clinician so you can actually ask questions. They do like 3-month and 6-month checkups. But if you're having any issue or any concerns or questions, you can call them and they answer, they get back to you right away. Fountain TRT has been a game changer for me because yes, they are completely online, complete telehealth, but they are very, very knowledgeable. They have people on their staff that really know what they're doing. And my experience has been incredible. I've been using the topical cream. My testosterone has been steadily increasing, which I knew it was going to happen. I knew my quality of life was going to increase. I knew the muscle was going to come in quicker. I knew my sleep quality was going to increase, my sex drive, all of that. None of that surprised me. But what did surprise me was the ethical and integrity-based approach of Fountain TRT and just how great their customer service was, right down to their shipping speed. Just incredible, man. So that is why I don't recommend Low T Center and I recommend Fountain TRT instead, although I'm not going to completely bash Low T Center either. Again, that link down below is there for you to use, guys. See you in the next video.